In this video I show you how to create a sorted list or list which is ordered by the date created. In this way, what we see here in this example, it's a Microsoft Access database, but it also works on Word and on Excel and in Outlook and PowerPoint. So normally you have in Visual Basic for Applications VBA the file system object which will give you the files, but that's always simply sorted in by name. And now this example shows how to get a sorted list. So we go to the code. Now we have here with Alt F11, then we come to the code. This case it's a simple list. So first what we do, we say okay, create a new file system object. That's what we do here in our references. We need the scripting runtime and Microsoft Active Data Object. So this will create an array, or simply something like an array. So we say create a new file system. So this is my new Explorer. And then we say if the folder exists where we want to collect the files, then we say okay, if it's not there, we check it, then go out of the tab. Then we say file system Explorer, give me the folder of that path, and then we have the default stuff, which is in this folder loop all files of this folder. If it's not a links are not allowed in that list. Give me the actual file. So for each file in that folder files, give me the file by name and by date. And then we say my sorted list, the file there, the field file name, the value is the file name and the date. So first we have to create it in here. We say create an ADO-DB table. So this is the data table which runs to the SQL Server normally. That's default stuff in all the Office applications. And then we say create that stuff. Make a local cursor or client local cursor which says okay, I will keep tracking for move next and so on. And then we say create a field which is named file name and date, 200 in characters. And then we say here add this file to this list, add the date to this, fill the date in there, and then update it. So add new, fill, and then update. And then we say sort that stuff and move to the first record set. Sort it by the field, which is in this one. You're used to take this bracket as a field description, and then we say descending. And then all you have to do, you have to go through that file list until sorted list end of file. Add a line into this. In this case, it's that list. So that's what we do there. We say okay, first we go there, we are in this point, then we say default is loaded by name, so it's sorted in this way, and then we say run it by name or run it by date. So that's what you see there. So and by date you see this is in this case a descending order where you have the news files on the top. So you'll find that code on my website. There's a link below there and also a download file, and you may find that code in there and embed it into your own Office code.